Welcome to our video on the Japanese Hiragana characters. Sashi, su, se, so. Let's start learning. This section includes some Hiragana we've learned before. We will be using these familiar characters to form new words. This is the Hiragana character, sa. Repeat after me, sa. This is the Hiragana character, ku. Say it aloud, ku. Combine sa and ku can form part of the word sakura, which means cherry blossom. Next, we have the Hiragana character, shi. Practice saying shi. This is the Hiragana character, ka. Say it with me, ka. When you put shi and ka together, you get shika, which means deer. Here is the Hiragana character, su. Practice the sound su. Let's review the Hiragana, shi. Say it again, shi. Combine su and shi gives us sushi, a popular Japanese food. This is the Hiragana character, ki. Say ki. This is the Hiragana character, ke. Repeat, ke. The character ke, shi, and ki form keshiki, meaning view. Let's review ka. Practice ka. Let's review sa. Say it again, sa. The word sakana means fish. It uses sa and ka. This is the Hiragana character, I. Say it, I. Here is the Hiragana character, se. Repeat after me, se. The word sensei means teacher. It includes the character se twice. Finally, we have the Hiragana character so. Say so. The Hiragana so is the first part of sora, meaning sky. Let's review o. Say it, o. Let's review ka. Say it again, ka. Combining o and ka forms oka, which means hill. Let's review a. Practice a. The characters a and o make ao, which means blue. Everyone climbed the oka. The keshiki was amazing. The sora was ao. On the hill, sakura or blooming, and the shika was napping. The sensei said, lunchtime. We ate sushi with fresh sakana. Inu-kun story continue.